Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have a PC Engine unboxing video. It comes in this very long box here, so I'm going to open it, see what it's like. And this one's region modded to play both North American and Japanese games, like I always get my consoles. That's why I go through the nose on them so much. But I've never spent more than maybe $280 on console, but oh shoot, the label came off. No, I'll take the label off. Maybe we can use it for some. This is the PC Engine Duo R, so it's the one that's white, not the one that's like black and looks like a kid's toy with a CD attachment, or the one that's just the cue card playing one. This one does include a disk drive as well, so that's gonna be nice. And here's what it looks like, and comes with a controller. Here's what the controller looks like. It's just a standard PC Engine controller. And it has this is for the SCART converter. I don't need that. All I need is the here's the AV cables, and I'm going to open it. Here is the HD converter. Also comes with 2 games. That's going to be nice. Here's the AC adapter. And then, ooh, it comes with these 2 Double Dungeons and Keith Courage and Alpha Zones. Game Dude from Sherman in Hollywood, California. And here's another. What is this? SCART to you. SCART. And then finally, here's the console itself. Looks really nice. Here is the PC Engine itself. Look at this, Mom. This is old. This is cool tech.
Cool tech, it's ancient.
Overall, I'd have to give this PC Engine a 9.3 out of 10, maybe 9.4. Looks really nice. That'll be my review, and play hardy, my homies.